Okay, so we're out here on Big Barrel Lake, just random adventure, and we got food, and while we were eating, there was this rabbit literally in front of us. So when I finished my food, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the 7200 and shoot the rabbit, but he ran away, so instead, we found something better. Close enough. Yep.
Thing, right?
Yeah. Just picture that as a rabbit, and the point's the same thing. How do you feel?
Nature.
So we're literally trying to find good spots in Big Bear to kind of like get like that cool nature vibe with like the lake and the trees. We found the trees, but we're kind of far away from the lake. And the one trail that we think we can take, I think it's closed. We tried driving there to have like lunch picnic by like the lake, but it wasn't happening. So we're walking around aimlessly. And I mean, these trees are super dope. This is definitely a spot I'll probably use for a shoot later on. Also, we're vlogging with the 1DX today, so I realize how heavy the it is. So we found this like super hidden tunnel that might lead to the promised land, but it doesn't look like there's any trees, but we might shoot it for the B-roll.
Shoot on film.
Dude, it's not even cloudy.
We found a lake. There's trees.
You have to shoot it with the yellow jacket.
Yellow jacket.
This was black when you got here, though.
Bro, it's one of those like heat changing ones.
Oh shit.
But it's not like about heat, dude. It's about like the vibes. Like the second I pull up to the lake,
it's just
yellow jacket.
Okay, so we're literally getting ready to shoot. We just turned and we see this. Talk about fresh sashimi, right? Oh, well, that's cool.
Let me tell you what this video is about, okay? This video is like about trees, pine cones. On top of that, there's one key thing that's important to photography, and that's money, okay? I saw this tweet today that said, it takes $0 to get up off your ass and chase your dreams. Let me tell you something, dog. My dreams include a $4,000 camera, and I have $4 to my name.
Being a filmmaker, everything is super freaking expensive. From camera gear, microphones, lenses, I mean, everything. Getting those cool things that will honestly like step up your filmmaking skills and just like make your shots look different, and it's cheap. It's like the best thing you could probably do. In this case, we're talking about longboards and how they're essential for your filmmaking. Stop it. At first, the only reason I bought the longboard was mainly just to kind of like get back into skating, since I used to skate when I was like in middle school and stuff. And honestly, using it for filmmaking was the justification that actually led me to actually buy it. Finding those little things that you can do to probably spice up either your photography or your videography. I mean, they're so freaking awesome, especially if they're not as expensive as regular camera gear goes. Buying like a super steady, state-of-the-art like gimbal to get those cool, awesome, smooth shots, but we're looking at about like $800 to $900. So getting a longboard that's like $160 that will give you a similar type of look, I mean, only if you know how to skate, really, basically like upgrades your footage to look way smoother, and it's also super duper fun. I mean, you know, you've seen those YouTubers riding their one wheels and their boosted boards and all that cool stuff. I mean, it looks super awesome, and honestly, like, yeah, I'm broke, so I can't afford that.
I'll tell you guys right now that the best purchase that you can make for your gear is some ripped black jeans.
Wait, where are yours?
I was too poor, I couldn't even afford staples.
Didn't realize how skating at really high altitudes, above 7,000 feet, really makes it a little bit hard to breathe when you're tired.
Has ever just considered the fact that we're fat?
I mean, look at that view. Okay, so we were planning on shooting somewhere else to get the sunset, but we miscalculated everything, so I guess we kind of missed sunset. So we're kind of just like blocked by shade. Okay, so I know this video was a little bit everywhere. I mean, when art, my video is a little bit everywhere, but yeah, guys, point is, I mean, using stuff to kind of like spice up your filmmaking and your photography is like the best thing to do. Like I said, I really highly recommend if you are into skating to probably invest into a longboard. It's such a good tool to use. Maybe use like the saran wrap on top of your lens to give it like a promise type of feel, you know, like little things like that. Definitely going down like a rabbit hole of photography hacks will definitely allow you to find these little like cheap alternatives to spice up your photography or your videos. So like, yeah, guys, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed a lot of the BS that we did today. So yeah, we're gonna get some cool shots right here while that little ridge is pink, and yeah, get some yellow jacket vibes.
Dead fish free.